3, 2, 1, action.
This is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Active 2, the current model. So it's 44mm. This is the pink. It's the aluminium version, not the stainless steel. So this is a cheap one. Don't tell my wife. Right, let's unbox. No fancy knives, just from the kitchen. Small box. Samsung. Little cardboard box with, let's have a look, I'm assuming paperwork, yep. So, quick start guide, warranty details, and something in another language. Looks like it's German. Oh, nice little folder. So this is the watch itself. Quite nice actually. So I have the 44mm Apple Watch. Do a quick side by side.
And his wife gets the cheap Samsung one.
Because she's on Android. And this is a charger, which is magnetic, no power brick, just a USB cable. That is everything. Give it a quick power up. There we go. It's quite nice actually.